Welcome to Mother-Daughter Projects. I'm Steph.
I'm Vicki.
And we're just hanging out on some tables. The reason we're doing that is because today we're going to show you 3 products that really have been a must in our garage. The first is these husky work tables. The second is that storage unit. And the third is
this husky tool chest right here. Join us as we show you how we put it all together.
Here you can see the 3 husky tables loaded in our car after we picked them up from the Home Depot. We removed one at a time and unboxed each of them as we unloaded. We laid out all the parts for all 3 and then started to assemble. The instructions were very straightforward, and this bottom support can be placed in the middle or on one side. 2 of our tables we put the support in the middle, and one of them we put the support on the side. We removed the feet and added the included casters to all the tables. Then we were able to turn all the tables over together, and we were done.
I mentioned that this particular bottom support piece can actually be put in the middle or it can be put on the side. And so 2 of them we put in the middle, and then this third one we put, you can see back here, we put it on the side. And the reason for that is we actually fit this cool little blue unit that Mom found in the trash actually. It fits right nicely under here, and it's a great little unit.
Next, we needed a place to store lots of stuff, so we got this heavy-duty welded storage unit. And here are all the pieces removed from the box and ready to be built. We put the 2 side pieces up, then started to add the shelves. They slip easily into the grooves, and we used a mallet to set them in place. And you see that little guy? That's my nephew Tyler. He helped us out with this build. With the side pieces in place, we secured them with the included pins. Then we moved it into place. Shout out to my dad who also helped. Then we placed the 3 supports on each shelf. Then we added the metal shelf. All that was left is to load it up with our supplies. And no garage is complete without a tool chest. We picked this one up from the Home Depot, and both parts happily fit into our car. Then we went home and just unboxed it. It was about 95% put together. All we had to do was put the casters on and handle. We placed the top on the bottom and put it in place. We filled up our drawers with some supplies.
What we learned.
We've been using these tables, I guess about 3 months now, and at first when Steph ordered 3 of them, I thought, this seems a little overkill, but oh my goodness, we have used all 3 every single day, and they are so versatile. I love that they're on wheels. We can move them around very easily. And I love the heights. We can do them in the lowest position where we could sit like a desk, or you could do it standing like a standing desk. And they really are attractive enough that if you really wanted a standing desk, that for not a whole lot of money, it's a great option.
And along with these tables, this big storage unit back here, we have really liked. I wanted something that was really heavy duty that would hold up to any kind of weight we put on it, and this is exactly what I thought it would be. We haven't had any issues with it. It's standing strong, and if we want to move the shelves around, they are adjustable, so we can move that however we want. And obviously the tool chest, every good garage needs a tool chest. It's been great to put things that we don't want to have on our pegboard, but we need in the garage, and we can easily find the stuff. And come on, who doesn't want some little wooden tools on front?
So cute.
It's just cute. So if you like this project, you want to see more from us, be sure to visit us at motherdaughterprojects.com and subscribe right here on YouTube. Click the bell and you'll be alerted to all our new projects. Now let's get the garage cleaned up.
I think I'll go for a ride.
Woo! Come on, Mom.
Bye. I'm a little further.